we are getting into the sales gallery of SmartWord and we will try to understand Edition, the project. Now come with me and let me show you around. Now I'm entering the sales gallery of SmartWord. This is SmartWord, the Edition. The site is not here. In fact, they have just created the sales office here with the sample apartment and the model. The site is at Sector 66 and we will show around the model. We will tell more about this particular project. Now coming on to the clubhouse. The clubhouse is approximately around 1,25,000 square feet. That I'm talking only of the clubhouse, but the amenities has been spread out throughout the project, which makes it approximately 1,75,000 square feet of amenity spaces. One of the unique proposition what the developers have deployed here, that every tower is going to have more amenities on the ground floor. The ground floor is not going to have any of the apartments. It's going to be double height lobby spaces where these amenities are going to be fixed up. Now when you see these amenities are overlooking the central green and the water bodies that has been created. That brings a lot of liveliness and ventilation to the tower. As I said, when you see the architecture, it's very modern. It has been the architect is Studio Symbiosis. The architect is operational in UK and Germany. They are doing a lot of products in India also. This is going to be one of the projects. A lot of metal, a lot of glass that has been involved into it, with a lot of lighting elements that has been. Even when we see the clubhouse have a lot of lighting elements into it. Now, as I told you that these are 3 twin towers. So the thought was like there's a Trump. That is again a twin tower. So they wanted to bring a product like Trump, but being a bigger land parcel, they did 3 twin towers, 6 towers. 80% of the space is the green space and the clubhouse, and 20% has been given to the construction footprint of these towers. The nearby surroundings are Mabia, which is a low-rise development. That's a villa community. Again, it makes it very posh when we see it. Now coming on to the sizes and the typology in this particular project, it's going to have 3.5 BHK and 4.5 BHK. 3.5 BHKs are 3,000 square feet, 4.5 BHKs are 3,600 square feet. A big size apartment, it starts from approximately 7 CR plus PLC and GST, and the 4.5 BHKs are approximately 8.4 CR plus PLC and plus GST. The main point is that this particular developer is bringing 25/75 payment plan. It's a very deferred payment plan. You only pay 25% right now, and the rest of the payment comes after 3.5 to 4 years when the application of OC and the possession of the property is being done. So you can be part of Golf Course Extension Road growth story by investing limited amount into this particular asset. As I said, Studio Symbiosis is the architect. The landscape architect is Red Landscape, that is from Thailand. Grey Matters is from Thailand again, that is doing the interior work. So all the international consultants have been made part of it to make it a marquee development. Ahluwalia contractor is the construction partner, again a A-grade listed contractor that is doing the work of it. No vehicular movement on the ground floor. The central greens are going to be as it is. The vehicles are going to be outside, and only on the periphery you are going to have your ramp entrance and exit from the periphery itself. Now let's go to the sample, have a look at it. While we are going to the sample, I just wanted to give you a gist about the specification. The living and dining is going to have imported marble flooring. The bedrooms are going to have wooden laminated flooring. The AC is going to be ducted, attached to VRV, and washroom fittings fully done up. Modular kitchen with chimney hob, सारी चीजें दे रहे हैं. कुछ की यूनिक चीजें हैं जो फर्स्ट ऑफ इट्स काइंड है या बेस्ट इन इट सेगमेंट है, उसको मैं आप कैप्चर करना चाहता हूँ. एज वी एंटर, you can see the door height. It's approximately 9 feet. So that is huge. So I think this is one of the best in its class. So now we have entered the sample. When you see floor to ceiling height, it's approximately 11.5 feet. There's a kind of specification that the developer is giving imported marble. As it is, what you are seeing in the sample, the same way it's going to be delivered. Imported marble flooring and living and dining. A huge living and dining space, as you can see here. This is the lounge that the developer has created. Actually, it's a 4th bedroom, but they are giving the option, even if you want to go, you can go for a lounge space. So the walls are going to be removable. आप उसको तोड़ सकते हैं. These are going to be soft walls. Otherwise, the living and dining is huge, attached to the kitchen on that side. But the key element to this product is its balcony. It's a 9 feet depth, 74 feet dimension of the balcony. It's huge. It's a wraparound balcony. Right now we are in 4 BHK apartment. This is wraparound balcony, and the developer is also giving a personal jacuzzi. So a private jacuzzi here. Here is one of the bedroom, which is a guest bedroom. But why it's a guest bedroom is because it's near to the living and dining area, but developer quoted as a second master bedroom. Reason? Because the dimensions are huge. और wardrobe का आप area देख सकते हैं. Wardrobe though the developer is not providing, but that's the space that they are giving. तो हम balcony से ही दूसरी तरफ आ गए. So this is the same balcony that is being shared by living and dining, and यहाँ पे आपका washroom हो जाता है. आप बाहर आते हैं. जब हम 3.5 या 4.5 की बात करते हैं, there is the 0.5 space that the developer is giving that can be used for study, puja room, any of the thing that you want to do. Now we are back again in living and dining. ये आपका अब ओपन हो गया है लाउंज. पहले जब हम एंटर कर रहे थे तो ये स्लाइडिंग डोर्स था, लेकिन अब हटाया है. तो ये एक कंसेप्ट है that's the way the living and dining can be made, by removing one of the bedroom and making part of living and dining. 4 BHK बहुत कुछ किया जा सकता है. So that's how it is. 11.5 feet का balcony. अगर इतना space दिखता है, it looks like you're living in a big house. But if you want to have this as a bedroom, there's an attached washroom to it. A proper wall will be provided by the developer, and you use it as a washroom. Now coming on to another bedroom, a good sized bedroom given by the developer here as a kids room को mention किया गया है, attached to the balcony. Now we are moving towards the master bedroom. Here is the master bedroom, great dimensions. अभी हम layouts को यहाँ पे नहीं दिखा रहे हैं, but during this discussion, any of the requirements come, any of the collaterals you need, you can call us anytime. We can provide you those collaterals with the all the brochures, the layouts and everything. Here you have the walk-in closet. They are giving the space for it, not giving the closet though. Then you have the washroom. Whatever you're seeing in the washroom, it's going to be the same way. Now moving to another very important element for this particular apartment is the L-shaped balcony that they are providing. So this particular area is attached to your master bedroom, and that's how the balcony looks like. So it's a running balcony, a huge balcony. That's how 71% is a usable space that the developer is providing here. Carpet कम हो जाता है क्योंकि balcony space इतना ज़्यादा दे दिया है. तो that's how it is. But this particular product has the right balance, a mix of open and internal spaces. So these are the specs. We almost captured everything. Let's go to the kitchen. Have a look at it. Kitchen is modular with chimney and hob. Then there's a servant room. Servant room का जो entry exit है वो बाहर से ही है from the servant lobby. आ जाइए. So this is the kitchen. Kitchen would be as it is without the appliances. Modular kitchen with chimney and hob. Then you have your service balcony and the servant room on the back side. Now the pricing is 22,500 per square feet plus PLC plus GST. Here the 3 BHK, that is 3,000 square feet, that operates somewhere around 7 CR plus PLC and GST. The 4 BHK, that is 3,600 square feet, that operates somewhere around 8.4 CR plus PLC and GST. So that's how the SmartWorld edition is. Rest you can connect with us. We can sit across the table, or we can have a call where we can give more insights about the product and will help you in evaluating and analyzing your buying as per your finances and your family requirement. Herein, signing off, this is Saurabh Duggal from Homeworks India. I have experience of 20 years in real estate. I have worked with multiple A-grade developers at a leadership level. 4 years back, I started my own consulting company and would be happy to assist you in your home buying process.